How to fix Helldivers 2 black screen problem in your PlayStation on or your PC or laptop. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel again. So let's discuss that what is the main cause just behind this problem that you're facing black screen on your PlayStation or the device wherever you will playing this game. For this, you make sure that you are connected with a better network connection and you have updated game software and your device internet software version on your both device and the game. After that, make sure that you have sufficient space on your device. And then third thing is to make sure that you're connected with a fast, secure and a better Wi-Fi network connection, because these type of error is not from your side. This is from the network or bug or any developer end problem. You cannot solve it directly, but you can just try to refresh your device and the game also on your device here. So just restart if you face the error continuously, and then you will face a pop-up regarding to restart this game, and then you can simply resume the game from the end you were playing, and then also you can restart it. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe our channel for watching more technical videos, updates and reviews like this.